rġajna qasmu l-figolli bxejn il-kull min jiġi fil-pompa tal-element biex jagħti il-fuel. Maltese? No. Do you speak English at least?
Yes.
Okay, we're a television show. And what we're doing right now is just giving out these as random acts of kindness.
Oh, that's nice.
These are figolli. You know what they are?
Yeah?
Yes.
Well, everybody will eat it, I'm sure.
Yes, and that's from us.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye. We're a television show and we're giving out these free as random acts of kindness.
Random acts of kindness, that's unusual in this day and age, isn't it?
Yes,
Very
it is,
good
it
to
is.
hear, very
But
good
we
to
are kind here, we are kind. So this is a traditional Maltese pastry, it's called the figolla.
Yeah,
Yes, it's for Easter.
yeah.
It's from enemy. You can eat the logo as well. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, bye-bye. Allora, siamo da un programma televisivo maltese e questi sono random acts of kindness. Random acts of kindness, how the Italians would say it. E questa è una figolla da noi a lei per Easter, xejdulu, sorry.
Thank you very much.
For Easter.
Per Pasqua.
Per Pasqua, sì, per Pasqua. Grazie mille, grazie mille, grazie mille. Ciao, buona giornata, ciao, ciao.